As smartphones become the go-to tool for users, search engines have adapted by updating their algorithms and placing more emphasis on how efficiently a site responds to a mobile user's needs. So while all the things we've talked about in this course still apply from a search engine optimization perspective, this means that your site also needs to provide the best mobile user experience and the fastest performance possible. Let's take a step back and think about the mobile search visitor and how we can make their mobile experience a positive one. We can start by making sure that the mobile platform they land on loads very quickly. This means using smaller image files, minified code, caching, and all kinds of other tricks that make sure users aren't spending time and bandwidth waiting for the content they want to view. There are a number of optimization tactics that you can employ to ensure that your site is optimized for performance. Google has a great tool called Page Speed Insights that can help you identify speed issues and point out opportunities to improve the user's mobile experience. For example, if we use this tool on the Explore California site, we can see that it has a mobile user experience score that's about average, and a very good speed score. To further improve their speed, Google suggests that they eliminate or delay JavaScript or CSS that are being loaded before the first view of the content. And it also identifies the scripts that may be causing load delays for the page. Compressing CSS files could reduce file sizes by 25% or more. Leveraging caching functionality would provide some additional performance savings. And reducing either the physical or file sizes of images means less for the browser to download. When you run your site through this tool, you might see recommendations like avoiding pages that redirect to others, using content delivery networks or CDNs, minifying code and referenced files, or even organizing your HTML so that the most important content loads first. Once you've got performance tuned and your mobile website loading quickly, it'll be time to focus on improving the mobile experience. In the case of the Explore California site, it hasn't yet implemented one of the mobile configurations we discussed earlier in this chapter. Of course, choosing a mobile configuration and designing for mobile intentions and usage is your best thing to do. But in the meantime, there are a number of things that can be done to help before that larger investment. Things like increasing the size of the fonts to make the text readable on a smaller device, or increasing the size of links and tap targets to make them easier for fingers to find. And avoiding technologies like Flash that don't work on certain mobile devices can go a long way to helping your mobile visitors. And don't forget to update your forms for mobile users. Use large, clearly labeled fields that are easy to navigate on a smaller screen. And use mobile-specific inputs like tappable calendars and selectors, rather than forcing people to type on a small keyboard. Pre-fill whatever you can, and check for errors as the user moves from field to field. Anything you can do to take the pain away from filling out a form on a tiny device will go a long way. At the end of the day, the mobile user wants fast and reliable access to the information they're seeking and a positive user experience. And the search engines are going to continually refine their algorithms to reward both of these aspects as mobile usage continues to expand.